It's still the first full day in Phuket. I got here yesterday night. So we went to the elephant sanctuary this morning. I didn't vlog that on the GoPro, but I'll share pictures and videos I took on my phone. And now I'm just walking around. Probably going to get something to eat. I would love to get my lashes done because when I was at the elephant sanctuary and we were under the water, I had to take my strips off. I'm like, you know what? My friend Charlie gets her lashes done. I'm like, let me just try to explore. Not explore, sorry. Let me just try and get them and see how long they last, if they last. And yeah, so I'm hungry. I'm thinking lashes, maybe a massage. I see a tattoo place right now, and I actually want to get one while I'm out here, but I think I'm going to wait to get one right before I go because I still want to be able to swim. But it's good to know that that's there. Hi. But yeah, so we'll see what I come across. But I just wanted to check in with you guys. And it was funny. This lady who I met on the tour from Manchester, I was telling her about the massage. She goes, yeah, you know, that massage, what did she say? She said it was brutal, but in like a UK accent. I was cracking up because, yeah, the man who did mine, I didn't know, he was like, oh, you know, it's more like a boxing match you're in when you do the Thai massage. I literally, oh, these hats are so cute. I kind of want to get one. I'll come back. I literally have a bruise from the Thai massage I got the other day on my leg. It was very rough. I felt good after, but it's very, very, very rough. Mind you, I had to take out my contacts. Oh, thank you. I had to take out my contacts at the elephant sanctuary because we were getting wet and it was getting in my eyes. I have another pair, even though they're supposed to be one for a whole month. And I didn't put them back in. So it looks like there's pizza. I don't want pizza. Oh, food over there. See Chanel. I'll go this way. Yeah, I have my glasses I could put them on so I can probably see a little bit better. Oh, there's a Starbucks, a Burger King. Let me flip it for you guys to see. Starbucks. It's good to know Starbucks is so close. We'll get there in the morning. Little cycle. Food, bazaar, street fashion, Central Patong. I don't know, I kind of want to eat in a restaurant. I guess they're all no different. I hear someone singing, maybe it's karaoke. Let's see. They may not taste like what I'm used to. We'll see. Crazy girl. Let's go this way. I just want to get something to eat. It looks like shawarma there. surprisingly. Yeah. I'm sorry. But I don't really want to do that either. I want sushi. If I can find a place. Looks like they do lashes here. On the size. I'll check back in with you guys. This is Niji Sushi. I was looking for another spot and I typed in sushi on my maps and this is what came up. Well, another spot came up, but there was a sign for sushi not too far from it. So I came here. I'm happy, obviously it's empty. I'm the only one in here, which is fine. I'm like, man, I'm tired. And I looked at the time, it's only 5:26. There's a lot of places as I was walking around though that have buy one drink, get one free. Like I know the Nightlife is big. So I'm like, I don't know if I'll stay out for that because I have to be ready at 7 a.m. to go on my tour tomorrow to the islands. I'm going to 3 different islands, see some monkeys, have lunch. So I want to get some rest so that way I'm okay. I probably have to get up like 6, pretty early. But yeah, I did find somewhere they were going to do a massage for me, but I wanted to eat first. I'm hungry. So after I eat, we'll see how I'm feeling. Maybe I'll get a massage. I actually see right across, I think there's somewhere that does lashes, so I may be able to get my lashes done. If I can do lashes, I'll wait on the massage. But the lady I spoke to said that they do massages until midnight, so I could do lashes and massage and just have a chill night and then go home and sleep. So I don't know. We will see, but I'm really, really happy you guys know if you've seen any of my vlogs or my content on TikTok, Instagram. I love sushi. I had sushi in Ghana, of all places. Who finds sushi in Ghana, right? But it's one of my favorites, and so I'm excited to have it here. And yeah. I'm just sleeping. But yeah, it's been a full day. Really happy to be here, feeling good. Met a lot of nice people today. And yeah, we'll see where the night takes me. I kind of just expected to come out quickly. That's why I didn't just threw something on. No, nothing. But yeah. Well, I'll check in with you guys later. Okay, we're getting lashes. A little nervous. Looks like they do hair too here. Okay.
Be careful.
Where can I put this? It has stands. Oh, I hold it? Okay. Sorry. Careful. Oh, thank you. I can hold. Yeah. I didn't know if we could prop it up. Okay.
But after you close your eye, cannot open eye, na?
Okay. Okay.
You maybe you hurt, but you open to do.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you. Getting lashes. This is the before and the after. sorry. Okay, so mind you, this was my first time getting my lashes done. I got them done one time before years ago. It had to be in like 2017, maybe 2018. And it was at a nail shop. I don't know if this was the real deal, but this felt like the real deal as far as for the individual extensions. They were super nice in the shop. She showed me a bunch of pictures before and let me choose like what kind of look I wanted. It wasn't quite the look I wanted. Normally the lash strips I wear are a little bit more dramatic. This gave more natural, which it was nice to have a switch up. I got a lot of compliments. I would love to get my lashes done again and kind of keep it up as maintenance. Yeah, they were super nice. I was very comfortable. I will admit my eyes did kind of burn a little bit at one point. I don't know if that's normal. The girls watching this who get their lashes done on the regular, let me know. But they were really professional. I honestly almost fell asleep. It felt like I was here forever. While I was here, some people came in, obviously drunk. This man was getting a pedicure and it was a lot going on. Mind you, right before this, while I was in the sushi spot, it started pouring rain and thundering. I was like, it would do this on a day where I don't have an umbrella. So I kind of sat in the sushi spot and waited for it to stop raining. I did meet this really nice girl. She's from Russia and she lives in Phuket. I went in and I asked the waitress to take a picture of me. And she was like, oh, I'm actually a videographer. She was very sweet, and her Instagram name is Kino Cartina. She was like, let me take some pictures of you and I'll even get some videos. Just eat and act like I'm not recording. That was really super nice. I also went live on TikTok while I was in the restaurant. I was in there for a while. The staff was super friendly. They even gave me the Wi-Fi password. I was very comfortable. Yeah, I love the vibes of Phuket. People here are so kind. Even the girl that I met from Russia said she feels really safe in Patong and Phuket. And she said she doesn't have to worry about anything as a woman living here, not being from there. She just said, if anything, like, you know, be careful when you go to the ATM and things of that sort. But it wasn't actual local people from Phuket who she even would have to worry about. So yeah, it was very nice. I enjoyed this experience. The food was good. Everything I tasted was good. I had never really had too much Thai food before this, but when I tell you every meal was delicious, I was like, oh wait, this is not my favorite, but I think I could eat Thai food on the regular. And then the people just being so kind. Like, yes, I've traveled to Ghana, and I think there's a difference between people being kind and nice. I know that Ghana is very welcoming to foreigners, and they do have hospitality. But I would say in Thailand, I've never experienced people being so kind and going out of their way to help you with no motive, you know? And this is just my experience, you know? People will help you and then won't ask for a tip or money after. It's just because they're trying to be helpful. And yeah, I felt really comfortable here as a Black woman, surprisingly. Like, and I say surprisingly because I didn't know what to expect. I think a lot of people think the worst going to another country, especially solo travel. I felt very safe. I'll include some footage maybe in my next video when I get my tattoo the next day. But even the guy who did my tattoo in his shop, like, he was telling me, I saw him this night, and he's like, if you're gonna go out, make sure to stay away from these people because they're gonna be friendly, but then they're really just gonna try to steal from you. Really just putting me up on game and culture out there, which I really appreciated. And yeah, so if you have any questions, drop them below in the comments. Let me know any questions you have. All right, they're done. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Kapkunka. I like them. As you can see, it's subtle. Okay, so the lashes are done. I'm looking for the bathroom. I need to go. Yeah, what time is it? I guess it's only 8:45. It feels much later. Hi, excuse me. Where's the bathroom? Okay, thank you. Okay. We'll find it eventually. Sheesh. I would love to go on a shopping spree. I talked about on my TikTok a cool date being, why can't we go on a date and say, let's take a flight and go somewhere where you want to go. Also shopping? Let's go shopping for the first date. We'd love that. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna go. I think I found it. Here's the bathroom. I think another thing that's interesting about the bathrooms here is most of them have bidets. Like, yeah, I don't know. It's nice. I'm sleepy. 8:48. She said specifically not to get my eyelashes wet for 4 hours, and it is sprinkling. I want to go get dessert, but I don't want to get my eyelashes wet. Girl problems, girl things. But it's a lot of people out right now, so I'm going to show you in a second. Bye. Okay.
You want some bag? Yeah,
Oh, no, no. I'm okay, thank you. Oh, this is dying too. My goodness. Maybe the umbrella or something.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you. I'm okay. This is my hotel. Sleep with me. I was a little confused coming back. Or maybe it'll stop raining some and I can get some dessert then. I don't know. I honestly started feeling really nauseous when she was doing my eyelashes and my head started hurting. I'm not sure why. So maybe I don't need dessert, even though I really want it. Oh my goodness. Oh, yes. All right. We made it back in. Let me back up. Hopefully they didn't get too wet. So they're last. Right. This is the view. On the 7th floor, there's a pool. This was right above the floor I was staying on, and I didn't even realize to come up here. So it was only one married couple up here. I guess maybe because it was raining, but they have a bar too, and I was like, look at how beautiful this view is, right? Yeah, great way just to end off the evening. Again, it was only like 9 or 10 o'clock, but it was a good day. Stay tuned for the next vlog where I go on a yacht and go to the islands, my first yacht. I literally manifested this. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.